Spills and leaks are inevitable in lunchboxes, but cleaning them is easy. To wash your lunchbox by hand, start by making a solution of warm water and a few drops of liquid dish soap, mixing it until suds appear. Dip a sponge in the mixture and wipe the box gently with the soapy water, scrubbing any areas that have food spills or stains to work them up from the fabric. Scrub the seams and zippers with a toothbrush, focusing on the corners and tight areas inside your lunchbox. If there are crumbs or food particles stuck anywhere, be sure to scour them with the brush too, or flip the box inside out to dislodge them if you can. Rinse away the soapy water with a clean, damp cloth. Sanitize your lunchbox by filling a spray bottle with 1 part bleach and 9 parts water. Spritzing the solution on your lunchbox and rubbing it into the surface with a clean towel to kill any bacteria or mold. Let the lunchbox dry out before using it again. For an extra thorough clean, if your lunchbox is suitable for machine washing, put it in your washing machine on a cold, gentle cycle with mild laundry detergent. Avoid using scented bleaches which aren't food safe, and never put a lunchbox in the dryer. Hang it up when washed to let it air dry completely. Keep your lunchbox clean for longer by wiping it with disinfecting wipes or isopropyl alcohol daily.